Mountaintop removal mining is another issue receiving legislative attention this week. Senator Jon Hunter of Monongalia County introduced a bill that would effectively ban the mining practice by making it illegal to dump excess rock and dirt into streams. The bill has no chance of passing, but it was the subject of a public hearing Wednesday, heavily attended by environmentalists and representatives of the coal industry.
If valley fills are prohibited in intermittent or perennial streams, it will impact every single form of coal mining that we do in this state, from the largest surface mine to the smallest underground mine.
Senate Bill 588 is all about the West Virginia legislature taking steps to preserve and protect some of our most valuable natural resources, our headwater streams, and the generations-old communities and people who live along and depend on those streams.
And I'll just close, Mr. Chairman, by saying that if the bill is passed and permits are denied as a result, I think the state will face the largest takings case. That is a claim that property has been taken without just compensation, probably ever filed against a state anywhere in the country, for billions of dollars.
I cannot judge, but future generations will, and they will curse us for what we have done. Mountaintop removal is not about mining coal. Coal was mined for decades without mountaintop removal. Mountaintop removal is about money.
We support mining and mining of all methods of mining, as long as they're done with the federal and the state statutes and done responsibly by those operators.
Although coal production is roughly the same as it was 60 years ago, the number of coal mining jobs has decreased by more than 85%. This job loss has not been driven by environmental protection or decreased production. Coal operators themselves have replaced miners with machines and explosives.
In the past, both Massey Energy and Arch Coal have wanted mountaintop removal operations near the Blair Mountain battlefield in Logan County. Last week, the State Archives and History Commission unanimously approved the nomination of Blair Mountain to the National Register of Historic Places. In 1921, the largest labor uprising in American history took place at Blair Mountain. The battle involved more than 10,000 miners who were demanding recognition of their union. Ultimately, federal troops were needed to end the violence. Massey Energy opposed the nomination to the National Register. If the National Park Service approves the historic designation, mining can still occur at Blair Mountain, but would be subject to further review.